Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on Hover.to and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should end to know whether or not this construction software is worth it for you. Hover offers compelling strength through its comprehensive integrated platform for construction and renovation. It automates critical tasks like exterior measurements and material takeovers from photos, significantly reducing manual efforts and potential errors. Its powerful 3D and photoreal design capabilities allow users to visualize projects with real products and colors, boosting sales and client confidence. The software supports diverse project stages from checklists to estimates, optimizing workflows for increased profitability and enabling faster, more cost effective settlements for insurance professionals, streamlining their claims processes. While Hover.to's public presentation emphasizes its extensive benefits, the inherent nature of comprehensive software solutions might present certain considerations. They could include a potential learning curve for new users to fully leverage all in one. Sorry. The learning curve for new users to fully leverage all-in-one features given the breadth of functionalities from design to estimation. Additionally, as a specialized platform offering advanced automation and 3D modeling, potential subscription costs, while not detailed in the site, are a factor for users to consider in their operational budgets. The accuracy of automated measurements, while generally high, might also have verification in highly complex or unusual architectural scenarios. However, it's ideally suited for a broad spectrum of construction and renovation professionals seeking to modernize and optimize their operations. This includes exterior contractors, home builders, distributors, and architects who benefit from streamlined design, accurate measurements, and efficient material lists. Insurance carriers, insurance carriers and independent adjusters will find value in its ability to facilitate faster and more cost-effective claim settlements. Furthermore, restoration professionals and even homeowners can utilize its visualizations and design features for project planning and inspiration. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.